In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress website by restoring both its files and database. Whether you've made an accidental change or experienced a technical hiccup, knowing how to effectively restore your website is an invaluable skill that can save you time and stress. Let's dive right into it. First, start by navigating to wordpress.com. This is your go-to place for managing all things related to your WordPress site. Think of it as your central hub, where you can control everything from design elements to site functionality. Once you're on wordpress.com, the next step is to log in. Simply click on the Login button. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have these details handy, as they're crucial for accessing your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. This is the control panel of your website where you can make changes, updates, and configurations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. Now, in your dashboard, you need to head over to the Updraft Plus settings. This tool is pivotal for managing backups and restores, offering you an intuitive interface to handle these tasks efficiently. Once you have located Updraft Plus, click on it to open its dashboard. If Updraft Plus isn't installed, you may first need to add it via the plugin section. This plugin is quite popular due to its robust features that are perfect for both backing up and restoring websites. Now, you should see an option that says Backup, Restore within the Updraft Plus interface. Click on it. This section is where you can view existing backups and initiate restores. Finally, identify the backup entry that corresponds to the date you wish to revert to, and then go ahead with the restore process. It's essential to ensure that it's the correct backup, as restoring will revert any changes made after that backup was created. Confirm the action, and Updraft Plus will start the restoration process, reintegrating your files and database into the website seamlessly. The restoration may take some time, depending on the size of the backup and your server speed. Once completed, your website should be back to the stipulated backup state. Restoring your WordPress website can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it becomes a straightforward process. Always remember to test your site thoroughly after a restore to ensure everything functions as expected. Having a routine backup and restore plan in place is crucial for keeping your website resilient against unexpected issues. With practice, restoring your website can be just another part of your regular website maintenance. Thank you for watching, and happy restoring!